Hi, can I have your name, please?
Miguel Mendoza.
And Your Honor, good morning. This is the Spanish court interpreter. And in my notes, it says that Mr. Mendoza might need the Spanish interpreter. May I check?
Absolutely.
Señor Mendoza, ¿usted necesita los servicios del intérprete o entiende al juez hablando inglés?
Sí le entiendo, pero pues.
¿Prefiere que le interprete?
Sí, por favor.
Yes, Your Honor. He does agree to use the services as the interpreter.
Okay, great. Mr. Mendoza, I'm Judge Hazel. You're here today because you have warrants and new charges from the city of Tucson.
Bueno, señor, muy buenos días, señor Mendoza. Yo soy el juez Hazel y está usted aquí el día de hoy porque tiene órdenes de arresto y una nueva acusación que salió del tribunal de la ciudad de Tucson.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is release you
Lo que voy a hacer es liberarlo.
and give you
Okay.
a court date of September 26th at 10 a.m. in Tucson City Court with Judge Hale.
Okay.
Bueno, usted tiene una nueva audiencia y se tiene que presentar el 26 de septiembre a las 10 de la mañana en el tribunal de la ciudad ante el juez Hale.
Okay.
Okay.
Additional conditions are no contact with any victims, don't return to the scene of the crime.
Y condiciones adicionales para su liberación es que usted no debe de tener contacto con la presunta víctima ni tampoco puede regresar al lugar donde sucedieron los hechos.
Okay, perfect.
Good luck to you, sir.
All right,
Muy
thank
buena
you for
suerte
that.
para usted. Thank you. And Your Honor, may we check with the jail to see if there's any more Spanish speakers?
Yeah, just 1 second. What was the question? I haven't got word of that yet. Oh, is that the one that you told me about? Okay. Who do you want me to address it with?
To the jail. Just to be in record.
Okay, to the jail, Mr. Petronas, we reset that till tonight. If there's anybody there.
Okay,
All right, can the jail tell me, do we have any other Spanish speakers today?
no, Your Honor, that was it.
Okay, thank you to the Spanish interpreter. She can be released then.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Hi, can I have your name, please?
Hi, it's Natasha Lynn Tucker.
Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. You're here today. Let's go over your case. You're here today because you have a charge of, oh, where's the public defender? We need to wait till the public defender shows up. Does the jail know where the public defender is?
Give me 1 minute, Your Honor.
Man, we just need to wait till your lawyer gets here.
Your Honor, we're gonna put her to the side because we're not sure, where our public defender is right now.
Okay, can we start with the misdemeanors then?
Yes, we will do that.
Thank you. Ma'am, we're going to talk to you in a few minutes. Just have a seat. Hi, can I have your name, please?
Carlos De Loera, Deloera.
All right, I'm Judge Hazel. Let me get your
How you
file
doing?
and we'll discuss your case, okay?
Okay.
Can you tell me which number that was? Okay, sir, you're here today because you have a warrant for your arrest out of Marana. And then you
Yes,
also
sir.
have a Tucson City case as well. Let's talk about the Marana case first. On the Marana case, I'm going to release you and give you a new court date of September the 17th at 10 a.m. in Marana with standard release conditions. So you are being released on the Marana case.
Yes, sir.
You make your court date in Marana. Let's go on to your cases from City of Tucson now. Looks like you have warrants from the City of Tucson or new charges as well. I'm going to release you on these new Tucson charges and give you a new court date.
Excuse me. Is there any way I can write that down real quick now?
I'll
Oh, okay.
give you a copy.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
The new court date is going to be on the 25th of September at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Standard release conditions will apply in your case, including no contact with any victims.
All right, sir.
All right, you're going to be released. You need to sign for all your paperwork and make sure you make
Okay.
your court dates on the 17th and the 25th, okay?
Okay, sir. I have to go to Marana on the first one.
Yes, you do on the 17th.
Okay.
All right, good luck to you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Hi, can I have your name, please?
Andrew Garcia.
All right, Mr. Garcia, you're here today on new chest pressing charges out of Sarita.
Yes, sir.
Let me get that case up on the computer. I'm Judge Hazel. We're here for an initial appearance today. I'm going to release you on that charge and give you a new court date in Sarita on September the 9th at 8:30 in the morning. Standard including no contact with any victims. Don't return to the victim location. No alcohol, no drugs, no firearms, no weapons. So you are being released. Make sure you make your court date in Sarita on September the 9th. Okay?
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you.
Your Honor, be advised, police Sean is still at the hospital.
Okay, we'll deal with that in a few minutes. Can I have your name, please?
Tara Scott.
Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. You're here today because you have a warrant for your arrest out of justice court for driving on a suspended license.
I went to court on the
Okay,
Valley and
I'm telling
I
you,
have to pay.
all right, I'm simply telling you have a warrant, so the court still thinks you have a warrant. I'm going to release you, give you a new court date. That new court date is going to be September 22nd at 11 a.m. with Judge Steele in Justice Court in downtown Tucson. You must appear at that time. Standard release conditions will apply, including don't drive without a valid license. Do you understand these release conditions?
Yes.
All right, you're being released. Good luck to you. What number is that?
All downstairs, listen up, yes.
They said that. Who should? Sir, 1 second, I'll be with you. All right, sir, what's your name?
Matthew Smalley.
I'm Judge Hazel. We're here to conduct an initial appearance on your case. You're here today on charges of disorderly conduct and criminal trespassing. And that's out of Justice Court. I'm going to release you, give you a new court date of August the 27th at 8:30 or 9:30 in the morning with Judge Foreman. Standard release conditions will apply, including no alcohol, no drugs, no firearms, and don't return to the scene of the crime, and no contact with any alleged victims. So you are going to be released. Your new court date is the 27th at 9:30 a.m. You must appear then. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, can I have your name, please?
Marshalon Wells. Annette Wells.
Okay. Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. You're here today charged with assault, domestic violence. The purpose of this hearing is for us to set release conditions in your case. I'm going to release you, give you a new court date of August the 27th at 10:30 a.m. in Justice Court in downtown Tucson with Judge Foreman. Standard release conditions will apply, including no contact with any victims, don't return to the scene of the crime, no alcohol, no drugs, commit no acts of domestic violence. So you are being released. Your new court date is the 27th at 10:30 a.m. in Justice Court here in downtown Tucson. Do you have any?
Your Honor, I do have a question. So I have full custody of my daughter, but his mother has her right now. Do I just contact TPD to get my daughter, or do I leave it alone?
Well, I propose the release conditions. You need to decide what to do with those. You can't contact that person and you can't go to that location. And you can't use other people to contact that person, but if they're somewhere else, but I can't get involved in child custody matters because
Okay.
those are resolved by other courts. So I don't want to say anything that could change an order that another court has made. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good luck. Hi, can I have your name, please?
Isaac Ajar.
103. Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. You're here today because you have charges of disorderly conduct, and criminal trespassing out of the city of Tucson. What I'm going to do is I'm going to release you and give you a new court date on September the 23rd at 1:30 PM in the afternoon in Tucson City Court with Judge Millian. Standard release conditions will apply, including no contact with any victims. Will go to the victim location. But you are being released. Your new court date is September the 23rd at 1:30. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Good luck to you. You're being released. Hi, can I have your name, please?
Dominique Maria Grace Medina.
Can you say it one more time for me, please?
Dominique Marie Arguez Medina.
Okay, thank you. Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. We're here today to conduct an initial appearance on your case. You're charged with assault and disorderly conduct, domestic violence. What I'm going to do is I'm going to release you. I'm going to give you a new court date. That's going to be September the 23rd, 2025 at 1:30 PM with Judge Millian in Tucson City Court in downtown Tucson. Standard release conditions will apply, including no alcohol, no drugs. Also, I'm going to order that you not return to the scene of the crime, not have any contact with any victims. So you are being released. Your new court date is September the 23rd. Do you understand?
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Weinstein?
Can I have your name, please?
Diana Weinstein.
I am Judge Hazel. You're here today on charges of criminal damage out of the city of Tucson. I am going to release you. I'm going to give you a new court date of September the 24th, 2025 at 10 AM in Tucson City Court in downtown Tucson with Judge Hale. Standard release conditions will apply, including no alcohol, no drugs, no firearms. Don't return to the scene of the crime. Don't have any contact with any victims. You are being released, but you must appear in court on September the 24th in the city of Tucson. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Can I have a question?
Yeah.
I'm the homeowner, so I can't go back to my own home.
Well, that person's there as well. So at this point, no, you'll have to talk to the Tucson City Court about that. I have to
Oh.
probation to probation.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good luck to you. Good morning. Can I have your name, please?
British Styles.
Can I have your name one more time, please?
Brenda Childs.
Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. You're here today because you have charges out of the city of Tucson. I'm going to release you and give you a new court date of September the 22nd at 2 p.m. in Tucson City Court. Standard release conditions will apply, including don't return to the scene of the crime. So you are being released. Make sure that you make your next court date, okay?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Dalton,
Hi, can I have your name, please?
Jesse Dalton.
Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. You have warrants from the city of Tucson. I'm going to release you with standard release conditions, give you a new court date of September the 23rd at 9:30 in the morning. So you are being released. You're going to have a court date with Judge Bond once you appear in court. So you are being released, but you must make your next court hearing. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Hi, can I have your name, please?
John Dowdle.
Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. Purpose of this
Hello.
The purpose of this hearing is to conduct an initial appearance on your case today. You're charged with assault, domestic violence. I'm going to release you. I'm going to give you a new court date of September the 23rd at 9 a.m. with Judge Millian in Tucson City Court. Standard release conditions will apply, including no alcohol, no drugs, no firearms, no weapons, commit no act of domestic violence. You are being released, but you must appear in court on September the 23rd at 9 a.m. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You'll get a copy of your court date as well, okay? Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Franklin.
Hi, can I have your name, please?
Stacy Franklin.
Well, you're here today because you have warrants for your arrest for trespassing. I'm going to release you, give you a new court date of September the 17th, 2025 at 2 p.m. at Tucson City Court in downtown Tucson. Standard release conditions will apply, including no alcohol, no drugs, no firearms. Also, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. You are being released. Your new court date is September 17th at 2 o'clock, okay?
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you. Hi, can I have your name, please?
Chad Greenwell.
I am Judge Hazel. You're here today charged by the city of Tucson with assault, criminal damage, and disorderly conduct. I am going to release you. I'm going to give you a new court date of September the 23rd, 2025 at 1:30 p.m. in Tucson City Court with Judge Millian. Standard release conditions will apply, including no alcohol, no drugs. I'm going to direct it also that you have no contact with any victims and don't return to the scene of the crime. If you have property at that location, you may return once to get this property. So you are being released. Your new court date, you must appear on the 23rd of September. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, good luck to you.
Go ahead. Please.
My name is Lucas Burrows.
Okay. I'm Judge Hazel. You're here today on Tucson City Court charges. You have charges of disorderly conduct, domestic violence out of the city of Tucson. I am going to release you. I'm going to give the 23rd, 2025 at 1:30 p.m. at Tucson City Court with Judge Millian. Standard release conditions will apply, including no alcohol, no drugs, no firearms. Additional conditions, no contact with any victims. Don't go to any victim location. If you have property at that location, you can contact Tucson Police to go over there with you and get any property that you need. If you have any questions?
Can you restate that? Yes, sir. Thank you for I got some of the information. Can you restate the part about the property?
So
Because I,
if you have property at that location, you can contact Tucson Police and go over there. They will go over there with you. You can't show up there. You have to contact them first, make arrangements with them to go there and get your property.
yes, sir.
You get a court order that says that so you'll get a copy of the paperwork that I just submitted. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Closes.
Hi, can I have your name, please?
Moses?
I am Judge Hazel. You're here today charged with criminal damage and disorderly conduct, both domestic violence offenses. I am going to order you be released. I'm going to give you a new court date of September the 22nd, 2025 at 9:30 in the morning with Judge Mayhew in Tucson City Court. Standard release conditions will apply, including no alcohol, no drugs, no firearms. So you are being released. Your new court date is September the 22nd at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
Hang on.
Okay, good luck to you.
You too.
Your man.
Hi, can I have your name, please?
Donovan Newman.
I am Judge Hazel. You're here today serving a warrant out of the city of Tucson. I'm going to release you and give you a new court date of September the 17th at 2 p.m. with Judge Mayhew. You must appear at that time or a warrant will issue for your arrest. Standard release conditions will apply, including no alcohol, no drugs, no firearms. So you are being released. Your new court date is September the 17th. You'll get a copy of your paperwork. Do you have any?
Thank you, sir. No, sir.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, God.
Close.
Hi, can I have your name, please?
Brianna Jillian Perez.
Hi, I'm Judge Hazel. You're here today because you have warrants for your arrest for trespassing and paraphernalia out of the city of Tucson.
Yes.
I'm going to release you and give you a new court date of September the 17th at 9:30 in the morning with Judge Hale. You must appear at that time. Standard release conditions will apply, including no alcohol, no drugs, no firearms. Your new court date is September the 17th. You'll get a copy of that date. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you.
All right, you have a good day.
You too.
Hi, can I have your name, please?
Abby Sanders.
I am Judge Hazel. You're here today charged with assault, disorderly conduct, domestic violence. I am out of the city of Tucson. I'm going to release you. I'm going to give you a new court date. That's going to be September the 23rd at 1:30 p.m. with Judge Million.
Can you repeat that date, please?
Well, we're going to give you a copy, but it's September the 23rd.
Okay.
September the 23rd. Standard release conditions will apply with additional conditions: no contact with any victims, don't return to the scene of the crime. So you are being released. Your new court date is September the 23rd at 1:30 p.m. in the city of Tucson. But you'll get a copy of that, okay?
Yes. Can I go to that house to get my stuff?
You can contact the police and they will go over there with you to get your stuff.
Okay.
All right? Okay, good luck to you. Sir, what's your name?
Forget, funny.
Morgan Chaparro.
So you're charged with assault, domestic violence out of the justice court. I'm going to take the following actions in this case. I'm going to release you, give you a new court date of the 27th at 10:30 in the morning with Judge Foreman. Standard release conditions will apply, including no contact with any victims. Don't return to the scene of the crime. If you have property, you can contact the police and go to that location. So you are being released. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
We're all-
41, was it 42?
Right.
42.
Okay, sir, you're excused. Have a seat, please. Can I have your name, please? I think they're muted. What's your name?
My name is Richard Estrada, sir.
All right. Can the jail tell me the status on the public defender?
Still not here, Your Honor.
All right. Can you mute me, please?
See over here. No, it's not. So she's in job. Is it right? Six, literally six. Okay.
Am I unmuted? Okay, I need to speak to somebody from the jail. This is Judge Hazel.
Yes, Your Honor, go ahead.
Obviously, the public defender hasn't shown up. Staff has attempted to call all the numbers that we have. I don't know if anybody at the jail has tried to reach out to anyone. But we have not been able to make contact with anybody from the public defender's office.
And Your Honor, Morgan Mahalik for the state. I just wanted to that we have contacted the assigned public defender for this morning and their supervisor. I don't have an updated response from them, but I just wanted to let you know we also did try to contact them.
Okay, so so this puts us in a difficult situation. I think the only choice I have is to reset these tonight because I'll be the one that'll be here, so I'm not putting work on someone else. But there's some very serious charges, and I don't feel comfortable doing this without them. Even though there are places where they do that, I don't think that's the best process in this case, especially since it's not like a situation where you called or our staff called and somebody said, well, I'll be there in 10 minutes because I can wait. But we've received no response. So I think that is the only choice that I have. I'm sorry to inconvenience everybody, but we do need to do this properly. So I think that's what we're going to do. Does the county attorney want to say anything else?
Your Honor, I would just note that I'm sorry, I'm just scrolling through my recommendations. I feel like there was one in particular that was a pretrial services recommendation or two. I don't know if the court would like to hear those now. The state has no objection. I am covering tonight as well, so I can absolutely do that.
Yeah. And yeah, and so that you know too, I do like the county attorney to put their recommendations on the record too, so the defendant can hear and other people can hear. But yes, I can make a finding that you know, extraordinary circumstances exist. The public defender didn't show up, so we're not going to have an issue with a timely initial appearance because the people are here and the court is ready to proceed. It's just we don't have the lawyers to represent them. So, I mean, I think the only thing that I could do on a case is if you have one that you're dismissing, and I'm not saying you have to have any of those. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But obviously that's a different issue. But so what I will do then is I will reset these to this evening and we will take care of it then. So the jail, we're just going to have a lot of people tonight. So, but I'll be back and I'm sorry about whatever this causes, but we've had no luck getting a hold of the public defender. All right. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.